I am using Android, so it won't do all things, but I can explain all the things hidden or the things you need to know in BeReal app. Here are some BeReal app tricks. If you tap this 22-hour late, it will pop up how many comments, real emojis, retake, and how many friends you have. And if you go to your profile and tap the three dots, you can also see the FAQ section. And if you go to the memories, it will say deactivate memories, which can lead you to disable your posts and delete all your posts permanently. Then, if we go to the contact us and delete your account, there will be just one question, and you can also ask question to BeReal if you don't know what to do or you get confused. Mine or in the Android version will be redirected in the Gmail. Those are some app tricks you can do in BeReal.